will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I will never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. Girl, you are close to me, you like my mother. Close to me, you like my father. Close to me, you like my sister. Close to me, you like my brother. You are the only one, you're my everything. And for you, the song I sing. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I hope that you feel the same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me too. I said you're all that I'm thinking of, baby. Said I promised to never fall in love with a stranger. You're all I'm thinking of. I praise the Lord above for sending me love. I cherish every hug. I really love you so much, baby, baby. Pray for someone like you, and I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. Same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me. You're all that I ever known. You smile, I know I said it. I know I did it. Maybe I went overboard to prove a point, but sometimes my pride gets in the way. Maybe I need some time away to get my head together, yeah, yeah. Maybe this was my last chance, honey, yeah. I may never get to hold your hands again. I can say that I'm a better man. I'm sorry because you made me understand. I'm so sorry that I tore your heart apart last night. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry if I scarred you again today. I didn't mean to take your dreams. I didn't mean to take your dreams and make them seem so trite. I sincerely, completely apologize for doing what I did. Everything you taught me and everything you showed me, it never seemed that I would listen to anything. But you've got my attention more than you know. I took it, I dealt with it, but I waited too late to use it. Oh, maybe this was my last chance. I may never get to hold your hands again. I can say that I'm a better man. I'm sorry because you made me understand. I'm so sorry that I tore your heart apart last night. I'm so sorry. And I'm sorry
from the start. If I have a lover who loves me, how could I break such a heart? You can still get my attention right from the start. Why do you come here when you know I got troubles enough? Why do you call me when you know I can't answer the phone? Make me lie when I don't want to. I make someone else some kind of unknowing fool. You make me stay when I should not. Are you so strong or is the weakness in me? Why do you come here and pretend to be just passing by? But I need to see you, and I need to hold you tightly, baby. Feeling guilty, worried, waking from tormented sleep. This old love has me bound, but the new love cuts deep. If I choose her now, I lose out. 'Cause what always has to fall, I need you and you. Why do you come here when you know I got troubles enough? Why do you come here when you know I can't answer the phone? You make me lie when I don't want to, and make someone else some kind of unknowing fool. You make me stay when I should not. Are you so strong or is the weakness in me? You make me lie when I don't want to, and make someone else some kind of unknowing fool. You make me stay when I should not. Are you so strong or is the weakness in me? Why do you come here and pretend to be just passing by when I need to see you, and I need to hold you tight?
I still can feel your kiss. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Yeah, I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. I should be over you, I should know better, but it's just not the case. 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Do you ever ask about me? Do your friends still tell you what to do? Every time the phone rings, do you wish it was me calling you? Do you still feel the same? Or has time put out the flame? I miss you. Is everything okay? 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Oh yeah, I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. I should be over you, I should know better, but it's just not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. It's hard enough just passing the time when I can't seem to get you off my mind. And where is the good goodbye? Tell me why. Tell me why. Days, 12 hours since you went away. I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. I should be over you, I should